Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you a very unique and innovative recipe of yakhni. It's a yakhni with paache or trotters or paya. Yakhni is Kashmir's famous curry. It's yogurt based curry with mild spices without any hotness. So let's get started. Before moving to recipe, I would like to mention I have Urdu and Kashmiri channel. I'll be leaving a link in the description box. Do check them out. For making this curry, I have taken around 1.5 kg of trotters. I have taken these boiled ones. You can take the other ones because we get these ones. These ones are used for making soup. So I'm using these. So first thing is we have to boil them. We have to boil them and we have to discard this water. Here we are not using any spices, not even salt. We will just boil it for a few boils and then we will let it cool down and discard this water. Now in a cooker I have taken the trotters and discarded that water. I added 3 glasses of water and I am adding the spices that include salt 2 teaspoons, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin seed 1 teaspoon, cloves 6, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 5 to 6 green cardamom, 8 to 9 garlic cloves, 2 black cardamoms and 1 cinnamon stick. And then I will cook it up to 2 whistles. Till then trotters get cooked, I'll show you the other ingredients that I have taken. I have taken 1 thinly sliced onion, 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamoms, 4 cloves, 5 to 6 black peppercorns, salt around 1.5 teaspoon, fennel seed powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder and cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, and curd I have taken around 1 kg. Here you can see it's homemade curd. Dried crushed mint I have taken around 2 teaspoons. This is an important ingredient for yakhni. Here you can see. Now the trotters are being cooked. So we start with making yakhni. For that I have whisked this curd. You can add egg or you can add a tablespoon of besan if you are making it for the first time, or if the curd curdles. That doesn't let curd curdle. I'm not adding anything. I'll just add some water and I will whisk it properly. Then we will heat it up and we have to make it same way we make yakhni. There is no different procedure for this. It's same way we are making yakhni. And trotters I have just cooked up to 2 whistles, so that's they're around 70 to 80% done. Rest will cook them with yakhni. Now in a thick bottom pan I have heated up curd on high flame and we have to stir it continuously. It's same like yakhni, it should not curdle. And as I mentioned, if you want you can add 1 egg or you can add a tablespoon of besan to it, then it won't curdle. So here you can see we have to stir it continuously till it gets its first boil. Now here you can see it has started to boil. So once it has started to boil, we can stop stirring at this stage when it starts to boil. And then I'll be adding the spices. So here you can see it has started to boil. So I'll be adding the spices to it. So I'm not adding onions and oil here, and I'm saving mint, half of the mint I'll save. So here you can see I'll add all the spices that I showed you, and then I'll be adding half of the mint, rest I'll save. We'll add this later. I'll mix it and let it cook for some time on low flame. So meanwhile here you can see trotters were also done. I have cooked them up to 2 whistles. So now they are cool also. Now in a pan I have heated up the oil and I'll be adding onions to it. So here you can see we have to fry onions till they turn brown, and in this oil we will fry trotters, And flame here I have kept between medium to high. Once the onions are fried properly, I'll be adding trotters to it and we will fry them. So as I already mentioned, I have taken the boiled trotters that are used for soup. You can use the other ones also, whatever is available with you. So here again the heat is between medium to high and we will fry it properly. It will take around 7 to 10 minutes to fry them properly. So you will feel the change in color. So here you can see, and you can see oil is also visible now. So now at this stage I'll be adding stock of trotters in which we cooked trotters or paya. We'll be adding that. So I have added around 3 cups of stock in which we cooked trotters, and now I'll be adding the cooked yogurt or the yakhni that we have made separately. We'll be adding this directly to these. And then we will let it cook. So as we had not cooked trotters properly, we had cooked them up to 70-80%, so they will be cooked in this. Here I'll keep flame between low to medium and then I'll let it cook. After around 15 minutes the trotters are cooked properly, and here you can see the gravy is also less now. So at this stage I'll be adding remaining mint. This gives a very good flavor. So now I'll keep it on high flame for 5 minutes and then I'll turn off the flame and it's ready to be served. At this stage you can check the salt and gravy consistency also. You can check the consistency of yakhni. I have kept it a little slightly thicker. So you have to add the remaining mint at the end. That gives really good flavor, and if you want you can add a tablespoon of ghee for extra and enhanced flavor. The Paaya Yakhni or Trotters Yakhni is ready to be served, or Paache Yakhni. Paache is cooked in many other ways. It's cooked with rajma or as a hot curry. So I have given it a little innovative way to make it yakhni, and it turns really good. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.